Hmm.
Today we are going to discuss about the value of the polynomial. For this one we are taking one polynomial. Consider p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So now replacing x by 2. Replace x by 2. We will get p of 2 is equal to x square means 2 square minus 5x means 5 into 2 plus 6. Here it is a 4 minus 10 plus 6, that is 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So p of 2 is equal to 0. Now replace by x by 0, then p of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 6. So 0 square means 0, 5 into 0 means 0 plus 6, that is equal to 6. So here we are getting the p of x value. If you are replacing by x is equal to 2, then the p of 2 is 0. So if you are taking x equal to 0, then p of 0 equal to 6. So different values we are getting the different values. So it is a p of 2 is equal to 0 means it is a p of x at x equal to 2. The value of the p of x at x equal to 2. And what about the p of 0 is equal to 6 means it is a p of x. The value of the p of x at x is equal to 0. So what is the value of the polynomial? Value of the polynomial is nothing but here it is a p of x is a any polynomial, and k is belongs to capital R. P of x is a polynomial and k belongs to capital R. Then the value is obtained by replacing x with with k, then it is known as the value of the polynomial. So here p of x is a polynomial and k belongs to capital R, then the value the value is obtained by replace x by k is called the value of the polynomial. That is p of k, or we can write it as p of x,
Hmm.
or p of x at x is equal to k. So examples. So find the value of the function.
Hmm.
Find the value of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, x is equal to 0. So here let p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now replace x by 2. So we will get p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So that is a 4 minus 10 plus 6, that is 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0. So it is the value of the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 2 is equal to 0,
Hmm.
is 0. Now replace x by 3. So p of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9 minus 15 plus 6, that is equal to 15 minus 15, it is also equal to 0. It is nothing but the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 3 is 0. So next you replace x by 0. So that is p of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 6. That is 0 square means 0 minus 0 plus 6 equal to 6. So it is nothing but the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 6. In this problem, the value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to 0 is 0. The value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to 0. In these two cases, the value of the polynomial is 0. So these 2 and 3 are known as the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means the value of the polynomial should be equal to 0. So what is the definition of the zeros of the polynomial? The zeros of the polynomial the zeros of the polynomial p of x is a value of the x value of x in which p of x equal to 0. So zeros of the polynomial p of x is a value of the x in which p of x is equal to 0. In this problem, 2 and 3 are known as the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. So now find a zeros of the polynomial 3x plus 1. So now it is a finding the zeros or zero of the polynomial 3x plus 1. It is same as this solving the equation p of x equal to 0. To find zero of a polynomial, that is nothing but solving p of x equal to 0. So what is the p of x equal to 0? That implies 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So now we have to solve this equation. So 3x, now 1 bring into right side. So 3x is equal to, it is a plus 1 become 0 minus 1. So 3x is equal to minus 1. Here 3 also we have to bring into right side. So x is equal to, it is a multiple of the x. So if you bring into right side, it become a minus 1 by 3. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Now let p of x is equal to given polynomial, that is a 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Now we have to find the value of the polynomial at x equal to 0. So now we have to replace x by 0. So replace x by 0. So it is a p of 0, that is a 4 into x square, 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. So that is nothing but 0 square means 0, 0 into something 0 minus 5 into 0, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So that is nothing but p of 0 is equal to 3. So p of 0 equal to 3. If this is the value of p of x at x is equal to 0 is 3. So second one, what is that? Second one, replace x by, the second one is x is equal to minus 1. So we have to replace x by minus 1. So that is a p of minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So 4 into minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means 1 in minus 1 into minus 1. So it become a 1. Minus into minus plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5 9 plus 3 12. So the value of the function p, the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to minus 1 is 12. So the value of p of x at x is equal to minus 1 is 12. Third one is we have to find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. So replace x by 2. So p of 2 is equal to 4 into 2 square, 4 into 2 square minus 5 into x means 5 into 2 plus 3. So 4 into 2 square means 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 3. So 4 into 4 into 4 means 16 minus 10 plus 3. 16 plus 3 19. 19 minus 10. So 19 minus 10 become a 9. So it is a value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 2 is 9. So the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 2 is 9. So next one, now we have to find the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 1 by 2. So replace x by 1 by 2. So p of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So p of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So that is a 4 into 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So that is become 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 will be cancelled. That is 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So the LCM is 1 2 1 means LCM is 2. So here we will get 2 minus 5 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8 minus 5 by 2. So 8 minus 5 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the value of polynomial p of x at x is equal to 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now second problem, find the p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomial. The first one is p of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now we have to find the p of 0. P of 0 means we have to replace x by 0, we will get the p of 0. So now replace x by 0. So that is the p of 0. P of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 x square means 0 square minus x means 0 plus 1 plus 1. So 0 square means 0 minus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Second one, what is the p of 1? How will you get the p of 1? We have to replace x by 1, we will get the p of 1. So the p of 0, so replace x by 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square. X square means 1 square minus x means 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, we will get the 1. Third one is p of 2. P of 2 means replace replace x by 2. So p of 2 is equal to, here x square means 2 square, minus x means minus 2 plus 1. 2 square means 4, minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Here p of 0 equal to 1, p of 1 is equal to 1 and p of 2 is equal to 3. The second problem, p of x equal to, p of x equal to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. Now we have to find the p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. For this one, replace x by 0. So p of y, this is p of y. P of 0 is equal to, here also replace y by 0. So 2 plus 0 minus 2 y square plus 2 0 square minus 0 cube, that is equal to 2 plus 0 minus 0, that is equal to 2. So p of 0 equal to 2. Replace y by 1. So p of 1 is equal to 2 plus y means 1 plus 2y square. Y square means 1 square minus 1 cube. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is will be cancelled. 2 plus 2, 4. Next, replace y by 2. So that is p of 2. P of 2 means here 2 plus y means 2 plus 2y square. 2 into 2 square minus y cube. Y cube means here it is 2 cube. That is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square means 4 minus 8. So 2 plus 2 means 4 plus 2 fours are 8 minus 8. 8 will be cancelled. We will get the 4. So here p of 0 equal to 2, p of 1 is equal to 4 and p of 2 is equal to 4. Next, third problem, p of z equal to z cube. Now we have to find the p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. So replace z by 0. P of 0 is equal to z cube means 0 cube. So that is equal to 0. Replace z by 1. So that is a p of 1. P of 1 means 1 cube. That is equal to 1. Replace z by 2. That is p of 2. Z cube means 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. So p of 0 equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 1. P of 2 is equal to 8. So next one, p of t is equal to t minus 1 into t plus 1. Here also same, replace t by 0. So p of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 1 means minus 1 into 1. So that is equal to minus 1. Replace t by 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 into 1 plus 1 means 2. 0 into something is 0. So p of 1 is equal to 0. Next, replace t by 2. So p of 2 is equal to t minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into t plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Next, third one is p of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. So here replace x by 0. So p of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 3 into 0, 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2. So replace x by 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square means 1 plus 3 into 1 means 3 plus 2. that is equal to 6. Next we have to find the p of 2. P of 2 means replace x by 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 square, 3 into x means 3 into 2 plus c means 2. So 2 square means 4 plus 6 plus 2. 4 plus 6 means 10 plus 2 means 12. So p of 2 equal to 12.